Today I'm going to show you the 2023 Precept 34B. This is a phenomenal floor plan, and I'm here to show you again what makes Jayco a Jayco and why we feel that it's the best outfit there on the market. We're going to start off around the side. This is a gas-powered Class A. One of the first things we want to talk about is this does have the new V8 in it. The V8 is, they replaced the V10 Triton with the V8 Godzilla motor. Again, a little bit better performance, more reliability. As you come through, one of the nice things about a Class A is obviously the storage. I also want to touch base on the JRIDE Plus. The JRIDE Plus, what makes it so amazing is we are considered the best handling, softest ride in our marketplace. How they do that is they use a Coney shock, a Hellwig's helper springs, and a rear stabilizer that is bigger. Again, giving you more stability going down the road. When you're going down the road and a semi passes you, sometimes you'll get that shimmy. You're not going to get that with the Precept. As we come around, this particular model has a nice big entertainment center outside, and as you can see, the awning goes the entire way. But as you can tell, one of the nice things about Class A's is just the amount of storage that you have. These are all covered underneath, so you have plenty of storage, and you don't have to worry about spilling as far as cleaning. Come through this way. Here you have an outside connect, so you can hook up an outside grill or a fire pit or something of that nature. And of course you have storage in which to put it. Now the other thing to pay attention to is you have an enclosed cap, so you don't have to worry about the weather getting in. You do have a walkable roof and you have a ladder going up. Jayco does give you side and rear view cameras put inside. And then of course you have the 5,000 pound hitch, so you can tow behind you. And as you can see, more storage along the back side. In here is where your power cord is kept, drops down in. Here's where your tanks are considered, so you can get that out of the way. And again, you notice it's a lot higher up to give you clearance as you're going down. And then through here, this is your water station with your outside shower and of course your water filter. Now what we're gonna do is go into the inside and show you what really makes this thing tick. All right, you guys, now we're on the inside of the 34B. This is the Precept, and again, with the A-Class models, the nicest part about that is overall room and what gives you that feel of a home. We're gonna start off, obviously you have the two swivel chairs. These will turn around and allow you to get into this overall living area. Your auto leveling is right here next to the dryer section. Your screen is right here, so when you turn on your turn signal, you'll be able to see who is in your blind spot. Again, you can set up a table here, so this becomes its own entertainment section. Now, one of the neatest things Jayco has done, you release this latch, turn this key, and now you can drop your bunk down. This will hold 750 pounds. And what's nice about that is, again, plenty of leverage. If you want to use it for storage, you can. One of the things I talk about is under here, you actually have room. So if you wanted to keep something hidden out of the way, you have that availability. Again, the blackout shades are already built in, and those are on power on the front. Again, you guys, Jayco does not use particle board or OSB. If you take a look down under this bed, you can actually see that those are wood slots. Like your ladder will connect right here. And again, through your door, you also have your screen door, so you can open that up accordingly. Notice how nice everything is. Because we do not use particle board or OSB, these are actually wood shelves, and you can see the adjustments on the side, so you can adjust them as you see fit. We make everything in-house in Jayco. So these are actually 4-inch high-density foam with a material that's made where you can keep it clean and use it. You have the no-knock table, so under here, you have plenty of room in which you're hanging out with your friends. Again, you can draw up the blackout shades, keep them down. We like to keep them down in Arizona because it's hot outside, as you can imagine. Again, you guys, room and comfort is really what we want to pay attention to, because when you're looking for your Class A, you want something that's going to give you that feel. Most people are using Class A's for full time. So we want to show you how much room and storage that you really do have. Now to the kitchen. Oh, one last thing, underneath each of these tables, you actually have storage available. And there's seat belts on both sides and every seat in the Jayco that do fit highway safety regulations. You have two air conditioners, one in the floor, one in the one in the bedroom. So again, it keeps it nice and cool. Again, it's going to run off of the generator that it's got on board as well. Now, hard countertops, full sink, as well as this can position out and you can squirt your friends, right? Again, when you want to look out, you have that availability right here. When that awning's over it, that's going to give you a full entertainment section. But take a look at how deep these cabinets are. They will fit a total, like dinner plates, platters. So again, you can use this as a full kitchen area. Notice all of the vents that come through, because I can close this air conditioner down and get full venting throughout the entire coach. The kitchen area, you have the backsplash 3-burner stove. And a lot of times you'll see just paper here. This actually does have a backsplash laminate on it. You do have the oven with the nightlight. Again, perfect for pizzas, small things. You're not going to cook a turkey, but typically that's not what you're doing that for anyway. But you do have a full-size microwave as well. Now, the other thing about Jayco is because they put these on rollers, each drawer will hold 75 pounds. And as you can see, look at the storage under here and under the sink as well. So you do have that availability, so you have plenty of spots to put things. Now, you have your power recliners. Your power recliners will come and adjust accordingly. They are space savers, so they will come all the way out. And again, as you can see, the seat belts are already built into them. Again, because we want to make sure safety is a big issue. Now, residential refrigerator. This does have solar on board, so if you're not where you have power from the generator, you can run solar for the refrigerator. It does have a locking mechanism here, so it comes in, and as you can see, I think this one's bigger than the one I actually have at my house. So plenty of space to put all your food that is perishable, and then right next door you have a pantry for all your canned and dry goods as well. So think about it, you guys. You're traveling down the road. You don't want to have to stop all the time for food. You want to be able to come in and get your area taken care of. As you can see, this gives you a good, nice living space with all of the availability for things you want. You even have speakers throughout the coach, so when you're playing your stereo, you can hear it throughout. Your entertainment center is here. You have your Insignia TV with your sound bar, and then your fireplace. Now, what's nice about this is you can use this just for ambiance. It doesn't need to generate any heat. You can keep it on for lights, or you can turn it on and heat up the coach. Now, not if you're in severe temperatures, but if it's cool, this will give you enough heat to radiate out throughout this area. And then through here, you can put a DVD player or extra storage there as well. Obviously, you have your clock. It makes it nice. But above here, notice how much storage you actually have throughout the whole thing. So all of this is actual wood. There's nothing that's plastic. There's nothing that's OSB. There's no particle board. And the reason I say that so much is because the overall building of the Jayco is to make sure that it stays together. Everything is screwed and glued. There's no staples. We don't shortcut anything. Now, as you come through here, notice you have a nice big shower. This is reinforced with a plywood underneath. So it actually, as you step in here, I can jump up and down, and I have no sag in that area. So a lot of, we used to do shows, we don't do them here in Arizona anymore, but we would actually have people jump up and down, and then in the other makes, they're like, please don't jump up and down in our shower, because you will see those sags. Jayco simply does not have that available. Now, to use as a measure, I'm 5'8", so you can see plenty of clearance here if you needed to come in and take advantage of it. And obviously you have the full fiberglass shower. Then your bathroom, that is a porcelain toilet. And notice the counter space, the heater right next to the toilet. And let me get in here. Look how deep your medicine cabinet is. Again, we realize that a lot of people need full time, and so we want to make sure that you have that room both in the kitchen, the pantry, the family room, and of course the bathroom as well, so you could store towels and things like this underneath. One of the nice parts about this is I can come here, and now this is sealed off from the family room, and I can also close this door right here. Of course, I need to be a little more coordinated, right? But it comes in, and now I can shut it down. So if I wanted to take a shower or have private area, I can, simply by adjusting this lever. again, now we're in the bedroom, and the bedroom's super nice. As you can see, huge closets available if you want to come around. So you have your hanging clothes here. You do have a telescoping ladder here, so if you need to get up on board. And again, like I was telling you, lots and lots and lots of storage. Again, every one of those drawers will hold 75 pounds, so you don't have to feel bad about actually putting things in it. And you can see how big they are. So this is going to give you plenty of room in which to do what you need to do. And then here, this is plumbed that you could put a combo washer dryer inside underneath, and then your bed actually has under storage as well. Now this is located on a slide, so this entire area will shut in, but unlike most where you're used to it, right, where this bed folds up, this bed doesn't fold, it tucks up underneath. So while you're driving, you still have the availability to come in and sleep without putting everything out. And you can see the air conditioner here with the ducting, because our bedroom, it's important to stay cool, right? It's important to make sure that you have everything that you need. Again, this is the 2023 Jayco Precept 34B. Take care and have a great day, but take a look around before you leave.